Retro God, back with another one. And on today's episode, we're gonna answer a very simple question. Do these work or not? I need to know for my own sanity. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. We about to get into it and see if these Crep Protect Guard Shield Shoe Sneaker Shields work. I don't know. The last ones didn't do too good, fam. Anyways, without further ado, let's check it out. Sneaker shields. Yeah, you already know what it is. A lot of these things have fancy packaging and this, that, but does it actually work, fam? Let's figure it out. Here I grabbed a large. It supposedly fits a size 8 to size 13.5 in US sizing. Says it has some cushion gel tech. We'll see about that in a second. Tropical scented. Sounds nice. The ultimate sneaker crease guards. E-side distribution. Crep Protect sneaker shields. US size 8. Better not be size 8. $22, and I have the receipt here. After tax comes up to about $24.86. Crep Protect sneaker shields. Got these from JD Sports and Oshawa. Thank you guys. Back of the packaging explains a little bit here. It's left or right. A little bit of a notch cut out at each side, so it's easy to tell which one's which. Insert and slide to the front of your sneaker. Yeah, we already know about that. What else are you gonna do with it? You can actually cut these to size and trim them up. If you make a wrong cut, these things are basically useless. I'm wondering if that yellow piece is the inside. Padded gel, tropical scented, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, man, I don't know. Interesting packaging, $20. Let's see what it's like. I'm about to cut these hoes open. It's unboxing still. It's an unbox. Ooh, what do we have here? It's another box. Oh, okay, and we got some packaging here. All right, so this is what you initially get here. Oh, I can actually smell it already. Wow, they actually really are scented. It's a nice smell still. It smells a little bit fruity, a little bit tropical in his mouth. You know what I mean? A little bit of separation tape here. My first impressions are it is a little bit more of a rigid design than the other foam ones. Nice branding here. Very good breathable holes. They did not come like that on the last pair that I had. They did not have any ventilation holes. And as you can see here, there's the notch. So I'm supposing that this is the left sneaker here. It doesn't feel like it's has any really super sharp edges or anything like that. On the inside, you have this gel area here. It does smell pretty good, actually, to tell you the truth. It smells like some fruity tropical bubblegum. But anyways, as you guys know, we're going to be using the Jordan 1 Palominos here for the rest of the day, and we're going to see how they work. I just kind of wanted to show you guys a quick comparison to the old Force Fields, and I know you guys remember this review. If you checked out the Force Fields review on my channel, you'd know what I'm talking about. Obviously, there's a huge difference in the design of these two products. One of these obviously is like a year old, and it's one of the best actual videos on my YouTube, man. These came with the 2 adhesive strips that obviously didn't last long at all. These things were horrible, man. I really did not enjoy having these in my shoes. They were uncomfortable as fuck, and yeah, the ventilation holes were pathetic. Now, if you look at this, much more brolic. Obviously, the technology's come a whole lot farther since then. It's even scented, for God's sake. I don't know, man. I could have made this out of some styrofoam myself and just cut out some styrofoam cutouts, but these Force Fields are trash in comparison to the Creps, at least in my opinion, man. The Crep is the way to go. So I'm not gonna lie, I did have to trim to the very first line, so I did take just a little bit off. I got it laced up, and my first impressions are, to be honest with you, it almost feels like it's not there at all. Like, I don't know if these things are made for Jordan 1s, but once I did actually trim it and get it on, man, like, because it was looking a bit spooky there for a second still. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get it in there, but to be honest with you, it feels like it's not even on, Regin. I'm going to throw the other shoe on right now, and we're going to see how it stacks up as far as the bare field test, and then I'm going to head out in the field, do my errands, and we're going to see how the 2 toe boxes look. And just for reference, this is how they look before I started walking. So there's the right shoe, and this is the left shoe, just so you guys don't think that I'm trying to crease it up behind the scenes or something like that. So this is what the 2 shoes look like. These things are scratch and crease magnets. If you guys haven't checked out the review on these, make sure you check them out. 4K review on my channel, ready to be viewed by y'all. Unlace these, as you can see. I didn't want to waste much time. We're gonna insert this as far as we can into the shoe. Hopefully it fits. I'm gonna jam that baddie way up in there, way up in there. Okay, and this is kind of what it looks like when it's resting in the shoe. It looks like it's easy to get your foot in, not like the last one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to trim them, but I can already feel it's a lot more solid right there. It may need to move up just a little bit more. I feel like I can tuck these behind the insole. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure, but anyways, the reason I'm using these shoes is simply because A, they're DS, and B, because every little scratch and crease on these things, they're gonna show for real. So all right, guys, so I'm back from running my errands and we have both shoes here. Now, I'm wondering, can you guys guess which shoe had the shoe shield in it? Just by looking at it real quick. This is the shoe that didn't have the force field, or that did not have the Crep Protect. And as you can see here along the crease line, there is significant creasing. This one does have a little bit too, but you have to expect for some wear. I mean, you are wearing the shoe, but for the most part, I do see a slight difference in the crease level, especially right here in this corner. This one looks pretty much almost brand new, except for the side here, but this one has noticeable wear on the toe box. And this is just from a few hours out walking around getting my errands done. So obviously they do make a difference. And if you're wearing these in the long term, it's probably gonna make a difference in the longevity of your sneaker. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of these, man. Final thoughts up next. Real quick, some final thoughts. The Crep Protect shoe shields, the sneaker shields, they actually do a good job still. I do like them better than the force field that you get from Foot Locker. I got these at JD Sports, so yeah, man, definitely recommend these if you guys are looking for something that's gonna help keep your shoes in shape and help the longevity of your shoes. Make sure you get the Crep Protect sneaker shields. They smell great, they feel great. You barely notice them in the shoe, for God's sakes. So make sure you guys check them out. Hit the like and subscribe button. You already know what it is. Retro God back with another one. More reviews coming right now, fam. I ain't even sleeping tonight, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Hit you on another one. Crep Protects. This has been another product review from Retro God. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, see you on the next one.